Understanding the sky is falling. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard before. The sky is falling. This expression is rich in meaning and has an interesting origin. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily English conversations. When someone says, "The sky is falling," they're not literally talking about the sky coming down on us. Instead, this phrase is used to describe a situation where someone is overreacting to a problem or fear. It's as if they're saying the world is ending because of a minor issue. The key takeaway here is that it's about exaggeration and unnecessary panic over something that is not as catastrophic as they make it seem. This phrase has its roots in a folk tale that has been told in various cultures around the world. The most famous version is Henny Penny, also known as Chicken Little. In this story, a chicken believes the sky is falling after an acorn falls on its head. The chicken then panics and spreads the fear to others. The moral of the story is about the consequences of spreading unfounded fear and the importance of not believing everything you hear without evidence. You can use "the sky is falling" in informal conversations to gently point out that someone might be overreacting to a situation. For example, if a friend is panicking over a small mistake at work, you might say, "Hey, it's not like the sky is falling. We can fix this." It's a way to bring perspective to a situation and remind someone that things aren't as bad as they seem. Remember, "the sky is falling" is a phrase that encapsulates exaggeration and panic over minor issues. It teaches us to stay grounded and not let fear or minor setbacks cloud our judgment. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.